But we're not talking about just stuff. We're talking about the mental clutter. What are the things in your life you know you don't want? Aren't serving you, don't fit you, don't need, moving, can't fit in the house. Everybody can do this. We all walk around with it, deep inside us, where nobody can see, not even ourselves. Keep what means something to you, what serves you, what serves your heart, not just, the look of your life. Don't worry about the stuff, the shiny new stuff that everybody has to have, the newest edition, the newest this. Keep what means something to you. Tell him just do it, just get rid of it. The ones that you want to keep have a meaning for you. So my goal for you when you leave is to feel motivated. So go in the closet, go on the bookshelf. What books do you not want? Take them off. This is our whole goal, right? To create this community that we can reach out to anyone, and create that trust within us. I just care for them. That's why I'm on this earth, is to help people and care for people.